Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday for Bitcoin to see what happened today, what it might happen next. So today in the daily, we said of course that we might still be in a corrective wave here, where we are looking at an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 1, and we need of course a correction for a wave 2 to hit the 1-to-1 fib level 105k. So as you can see, this drop today was very clear, of course, for this impulse that it has started potentially here as 1, 2, 3, and we're looking at 4 and a 5 toward the downside. Of course, invalidation of this impulse is of course taking this price here as invalidation of bearish, which is of course around the 108k 730, and this might of course be still even a bigger wave 3 unfolding toward the downside here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish a wave 3, and then 4 and a 5 might be extended a little bit. We're gonna see of course the price action. In this case scenario, of course, we are looking therefore for the 105k to be touched as, of course, minimum target here for a wave 2, because the 0.38 is in confluence as well with this area, and we would like to see continuation simply toward the upside. For the bullish scenario, of course, which is that it can unfold here, I would say is very hard, guys, to have a bullish scenario here. Anyway, if you are in 1, 2, 3, is this wave 4 invalidation, and if you have 1, 2, 1, 2, well, this is not like a wave 2, very long range here, and also this is a very deep already. But we're gonna watch, of course, but the higher potential right now is the continuation towards the lower prices. The 108k 729 is of course a target, or I would say key level to be watched. Another alternative scenario which we have, of course, the wave 1 finished already here, where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Your wave 5 is kind of like a diagonal finished wave 5. It can be even like wave 3, 4 and a 5 just finished here, where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this wave 3, and then 4, 5 to finish wave 1, meaning you are in a potential A, B, and a C toward the downside. Now, this scenario is a little bit, I would say, longer in time and lower in price. And I don't see really like very strong wave 1, 2 here. Now, it is kind of like impulsive 1, 2, but it might be like potentially diagonal, which it might take even a little bit more time. And I believe that the alternative scenario that we have here is much more closer as A, B, and a C. We are very close to the 0.38 fib time, and makes it much more meaningful, I would say, for regarding the time and the fib level for this blue box. Otherwise, guys, if we continue toward the upside, what would happen, of course, if the invalidation of bearish has been taken? So a very important question here that we can have, of course, is an ABC. Very simple: big A, B, and a C toward the upside. So I will put this also in a big round magenta. Here we go. So what you might have here is also a big ABC. Can it be a very shallow wave B? Well, I doubt it a little bit. Yeah, I need even like a longer wave B, and therefore this applies, I would say, much more higher as a potential here in this scenario, guys, not this the alternative one. In this scenario, where you can see, of course, wave A here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 looks like much better as a wave A, and you got like kind of like a wave B, which it has reached 0.23, a little bit longer in time, and it looks much more convincing. And if you're looking for higher, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 potentially can be diagonal, but even a diagonal, guys, you need an impulse. Yeah, so that's why now even the possibility is getting lower. Higher possibility is still, of course, to get lower prices in this alternative scenario. Currently, I'm testing, of course, this anyway. It is a priority because this target is before the other scenario, which is lower, right? So we're gonna test both of them, but basically you would like to test this one right now, 105k 264. That was it for Bitcoin for the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.